Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the product subscription manager module. So the product subscription manager module enables you to adjust the global settings for the subscription feature of the store. So for us to access the product subscription manager, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, in the settings section, we select modules. So here, for us to access the subscription manager, we go ahead and choose we choose the selling products category here. And then here we search for subscription manager. So you can see it here. So the next thing we do, we go ahead and click on the edit button. So the product subscription manager, so you can see it here, enables us to, as I said earlier, adjust the global settings for the subscriptions feature. So when you make any changes here, it will affect your ability to create subscription or subscribable products in your store. So let's go ahead and explore the settings here. So for the first one here, you can see that the module status is enabled. So what this means is that you will be able to create subscribable products in your store. So if we disable this, the subscription product type will no longer be available in the product create form. So let's go ahead and explore this. So currently, now that is enabled, if we navigate to the store management section and select products, so let's proceed and click on the add button here. You see that the subscription product type option is active here. So, but if we don't want this to be available in the store, we can go back to the module section. All right. And then select selling products category. So we select the product subscription manager and then we disable it. So once we disable and save, you can see that when we go back to the catalog and product section and click on the add button, you see that the subscription option is no longer available as a product type here. So you will not be able to create subscribable products anymore. So to re-enable it, we go back. All right. Select this, then we enable it. All right. So once we enable it, we go back again. So you can see that in the product create form, so it has been added back here. So clicking on it will enable you to create subscribable products and add subscription plans to your product. So let's go back. So we go back again to the page, select this category option, and then so that is what this section, if you enable or disable it, will disable the ability to create subscribable products. So this section, the payment gates, the payment method. So here we can define the payment methods that customers can use to make subscription payments. So once you set up a payment method for your store, the payment method will be available here for you to activate it. So once it's activated here, whenever your customer wants to subscribe for any product, once they want to make a subscription order, they will be able to use the payment method that you have set here to make payments. So to show an example of this, we'll go ahead and enable another payment method. So to do this, we select under the store management section, select settings, we select payments. So here we are going to enable the Paystack payment method. So we go ahead and change the status to enabled. Set the sort order number as 1. So we go ahead and save. All right. So once we save, let's go back to the subscription manager. Select settings, select modules. So here we select the selling products category. Then go ahead and click on the edit button. So you can see that coming back to the product subscription manager, the Paystack payment method is now active here. So you can go ahead and select it. So once we select this and save, customers should be able to use this payment method to make subscription payments in the store. So that is what this section is for. So for these other sections, if we enable any of this, for example, if we enable this, customers will be able to suspend their subscription, and this will allow customers to cancel their subscription at any time without the approval of admin users. So this section, enabling this, will allow the customer to get an email notification, when the customer makes subscription payments. So this is where you will now proceed to set the email template that will be used to send the email notification to the customer whenever the customer makes subscription renewal payments. So you can adjust this and add any of these shortcodes. Take note that the shortcodes must be you can't edit the shortcode, as editing it means that any content that is supposed to show will no longer show when the email is sent to the customer. So you make sure that you copy it exactly as it is when adjusting the email template. So these are the features and settings you can adjust when setting up the product subscriptions manager. So in this video, I've shown you how to use the product subscription manager to adjust the global settings for the store subscriptions feature. Thank you for watching.